Hello, my name is Abha Singh. I'm an art therapist and psychotherapist based in Montreal, Canada. I'm here at Dayananda Sagar University as I was introducing an experiential workshop to the students in 3 different fields. So the first was in design, the second in pharmacy, and the third was engineering students. I found the students to be extremely motivated and perceptive in terms of learning art therapy, and they were 100% engaged and truly made an effort to engage themselves in these sessions. They were very motivated and they enjoyed and presented their work to everyone who participated in the sessions. The staff was very supportive, the facilities as well. It was very accommodating for me to be able to come here and do the sessions at the university. It's my pleasure to be here, and I hope to engage in the future again at this university with the students. Thank you.